Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look right here, which is an everyday makeup look by using just three products here. Yes, now without making this intro any further longer, let's dive into the video. Now I'm already done with my skincare routine, starting off with the compact powder. I have used Fit Me compact powder in the shade Toffee here. Now this is a good compact powder for a everyday use. If you are planning to invest in a compact powder which is affordable at the same time does its work, is definitely this compact powder. It's a beautiful product. You can give it a try. Now since I have intense dark circle, I need some more coverage around my eyes. For that I tried using this compact powder with my fingertip to get concentrated coverage, to get extra coverage, since your finger has some natural oil, but it started turning grayish for some reason. So I have used a warm caramel shade from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, the transition shade, and now you can see the difference. It's a great hack to skip your concealer. If you don't like to use concealer or foundation on a daily basis, you can of course go ahead and try this hack. Now the second product that I will be using is the mascara. Taking the mascara product in an angular brush, now I am going to fill my brows. Now I have a high arc, sharp arc brows. Now I like to soften the arc up, because if I want to make it in real life I need to grow my brows, but it's not happening. So what I do is I just soften the arc with some eyebrow products, softening the arc and filling some sparse area which I probably don't have much. With that I complete my eyebrow. So on a daily basis I like to have prominent brow, because it literally lifts the entire game. It lifts your face up. With the same product I'm lining my lower lash line. Now I'm not taking the product on my waterline, not tight lining my eyes, but I'm using the product in my lash line. So it gives a bigger eyes kind of illusion. So yes, I have hooded eyes, I have small hooded eyes, so this hack does work for me. So next up I'm using mascara to coat my lashes. I'm going to use two coats. First coat is now done, and the second coat will be after my lipstick, once the first coat is little bit dried. Now next I'm going to use a lipstick which is from Il-18. The shade is Chocolate Day. Now I like to use a darker brown shades on an everyday basis where I'm not wearing any base makeup, because nudes or lighter shades tend to wash me out when I don't wear base, that is foundation, concealer and so on kind of things. So yeah, I'm using the same lipstick on my eyelid to give a wash of color to my eyelids, which makes me look a little bit presentable. It's a creamy matte formulation, so what I'm doing is setting the lipstick with the same compact powder. Now applying the second coat of mascara, finishing my entire makeup look. So yes, with that I complete this look. I hope it was useful to you all. So yeah, if yes, then hit like and subscribe for more of such content. Now yeah, thank you, bye.